Okay, we're going to use the same data here now. Create another table. Now we do the following. We select here one point. We select range. Yes, I select this. Control A. Have this one. And existing worksheet pivot analysis. And the columns and the total will be here. This with the value fields here. I'm gonna paste this. Okay, this one. To do as follows. Here, field settings, pivot table options. We're going to show the grand totals per column, and this field we're going to show value as percentage of row total. This is data range. Okay, I'm going to do this, and then I'm gonna check marker color here. This as well. Okay, this has to be here, and I'm gonna merge this. Here we are. Okay, so we created this. Now I'm going to create a third one.